We've been in Scotland for a few days now, travelling along the North Coast 500.
We're getting bitten by the midges.
Our first midge.
Our first midge.
We arrived in Durness last night, only just in time to watch the sunset from this stunning beach. Today, we are going to explore the area by daylight and go inside of Smoo Cave. Our room may be small, but we've got the whole hostel for ourselves. So we've started spreading out into the hallway.
Yeah, this is just way too little space in there. What are you snacking on?
Crunchy nut. So the most northerly part of Scotland is the Shetland Islands, but we're in the most northerly mainland part of Scotland. Yesterday it took us the whole day to drive from here to here. So it puts it into perspective. We freshened up and now we're going to explore the surroundings, including Smoo Cave and some beautiful beaches in the area. It's so funny how everything is called Mackay. Like the spa is called Mackay, the hostel is called Mackay, even the golf course is called Mackay. I'm wondering if it's owned by one big family.
Could be. Such a small place.
But even on the east coast where we were, there were a couple of restaurants called Mackay. Very popular name here, Mackay. Smoo Cave came from Norse, Smuga, meaning cave. So this cave is called Cave.
Smuga.
Cave. How would you pronounce this? Geoda or an angry beaver. He's like, okay, I think we've read enough. Let's go see the cave.
The Smuga. Is that such a nice word, Smuga? Smuga.
Cold to my bones. We've reached the bottom of the entrance to Smoo Cave. This bridge is very wobbly. Earlier there were some people standing on it and the whole bridge was going from side to side. What's the opposite of a wee? It's a grand cave. It's not a wee cave. Do you remember that white bird we saw on the rocks yesterday at Buffin Cove?
Yeah.
It's the same bird as here, and they say it's a baby waiting for its parents to bring food to it. But it looks so big.
No, this can't, no. Is it worth it?
Yeah. Well, you can come down here for free, have a look at the cave. Usually there's a waterfall, but now I think it's dry. I'm gonna watch some people get on a boat and row into the cave.
Ja, wegstretch met je right foot all the way up to the front of the boat. Big stretch.
I don't think a bridge should ever be moving, no.
What did I tell you about the bridge? There are also tours you can take if you want to go deeper into the cave. It's about a 30-minute boat trip on a little rubber boat. £10 per person. It looks worth the trip, but we're going to explore the views instead.
Let's try and end up there. Thank you,
After
my
you.
darling.
After you.
What do you like?
I like walking on the soft grass. It feels so nice.
Feels like you're walking on pillows.
Yeah, you're just more part of nature. Bare feet would be even better.
Well, you can do it.
No, it'd be cold. Shall we take the path that goes around the hill?
Yeah, sure.
Do you see how narrow it is?
Yeah, I see how narrow it is. It's gonna be interesting.
Keep your eyes on the path.
I'll keep my eyes peeled. Is that what they say? No, that's when you're looking for stuff, right?
Yeah.
Keep your eyes peeled. How can you keep your eyes peeled?
It's a little. Easier on the grass.
The soft grass.
I think this path takes us down to the ocean. Maybe for fishermen. Or if you just want to take a swim. Which we don't.
It's freezing. I don't think we would ever do that.
Never say never.
Are you gonna go for a swim then?
Not right now.
When then?
Well, today we had the option between going surfing or sightseeing. I chose surfing.
Yeah, sure.
But
Sure.
someone else.
There is no way that you would have gone surfing today.
I would have.
I can't believe that.
You wouldn't.
No,
I totally
I don't
would
believe that.
have.
You're always feeling cold.
Time to go. No loitering, youngster. As the morning came to an end, we sought to explore one of the most isolated beaches in Scotland. But that's for another video. Click here to find out how we ended up here.